What are benefits of strawberry? Top health benefits of strawberries: low in calories, may support heart health, may help manage blood pressure, may regulate blood sugar, may be helpful for those with type 2 diabetes, may be cancer protective, may help weight management, may support brain function. 1. Strawberries are powerful teeth whiteners. They contain vitamin C, which helps fight plaque. 2. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. 3. Unlike some fruits, strawberries don't continue to ripen once picked. 4. Strawberries survive in a range of conditions and will grow happily in most places around the world. 5. There are about 200 seeds in every strawberry. 6. 8 strawberries have more vitamin C than an orange. That's 140% of our daily recommended amount. 7. The strawberry plant, along with its good friend the raspberry plant, are members of the rose family. 8. Strawberries are full of a special substance called ellagic acid, which is thought to help fight some cancers. 10. The French traditionally serve newlyweds a soup made out of strawberries at the wedding breakfast, since it is considered an aphrodisiac. Some interesting facts to mull on whilst you enjoy your next bowl of SNA strawberries. What climate is best for strawberries? Growing conditions. Growing strawberries requires temperatures between 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and less than 14 hours of daylight for the strawberries to flower and produce fruit. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, support, and follow the AK1323 channel. Thank you.